Did you know there's a woman in the Bible who stopped asking God for something? Not because she lost faith, but because 18 years had quietly taught her not to hope anymore? She was there in the synagogue, bent over, unable to straighten up. 18 years of looking at the ground. She didn't push through the crowd. She didn't call out his name. She just showed up. But Jesus saw her first. He called her over, looked at her, and said, "You are set free," before he even touched her. And the moment his hands rested on her, she stood straight up for the first time in nearly 2 decades. The religious leaders got angry. "Wrong day," they said. Too busy protecting a rule to celebrate a miracle. But here's what hits different about this story. She never asked. She had stopped asking. And God still noticed. So whatever you've quietly given up on, whatever you've stopped bringing to God because it's been too long, He still sees it. He still sees you.